What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. In today's adventure, I'm coming to you from Indian Motorcycle of Redlands, and I want to show you guys this new seat. Here it is, the Indian Comfort Seat for the Indian Scout Bobber. You can see right here on the left, this is the stock bobber seat, like what I had on mine. I ended up upgrading to a Corbin, but this is a really good option to help your pocketbook. Coming in at only $250 starting. It's great, and it's a direct replacement. Here you can see the stock one on this bronze smoke bobber, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to click over. And of course, I'm trying to be smooth and quiet here. It doesn't always work out that way, but it's still pretty quick, very fast process. Most of the Corbins are pretty easy to deal with. Sometimes you gotta change a bolt around, stuff like that. Or the Corbin saddle seat like mine, you gotta change bolts and everything else. But this seat raises you about an inch, adds so much more cushion for your butt though. It's gonna be a brilliant thing for only $250. Bravo, Indian. Alright you guys, hopefully this helps. Stay safe and stay classy.